In this video, you'll learn the ut with family. The letters U and T, when they're blended together, says ut. The U makes a sound and the T makes a t sound. Let's blend U and T together so it says ut. Ut, ut, ut. Great! Let's read some words with the ut sound. Ut, ut, hot. Ut, ut, rot. Ut, ut, not. Ut, ut, jot. Ut, ut, but. Ut, cut. Great job. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in another video. I love you.